Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Abentech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. Xiaomi continues to cement its leadership in the robot vacuum market with the Robot Vacuum X20 Max, a high-end device emphasizing practical innovation. Currently available with a 34% discount, this model is a strong contender for users seeking a premium smart cleaner at a competitive price. The X20 Max features powerful 8,000 pascals suction for deep cleaning on various surfaces, including fine particle removal from carpets. Its advanced mopping system utilizes an electronically controlled water tank and dual rotary mops capable of tackling tough stains, with automatic pressure adjustment to protect delicate flooring. Navigation is handled by a high-precision 3D LiDAR system, which allows for real-time environment scanning, detailed mapping, and intelligent route planning, efficiently avoiding common household obstacles. Full control, including scheduling, zone setting, and power adjustment, is available via the Mi Home/Xiaomi Home app, supporting voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant. A key feature is the self-emptying base station, which provides weeks of hands-off maintenance. Additional functionalities include automatic carpet detection with suction boost, anti-fall sensors, and a powerful 5,200 mAh battery offering up to 180 minutes of continuous cleaning, suitable for large homes. The device maintains Xiaomi's signature minimalist design and operates quietly, reinforcing its position as a durable and highly efficient smart cleaning solution. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.